Oh. Careful. There he goes. Yay! Yippee! Yay! Let's set you back up. Let's do it again. Hold on. Set the camera down for a second. Put you back on your belly. Back on the belly. Which way are you going to go this time? Go ahead. Here he goes. Go ahead, Davis. Doing so good on his tummy. Oh! Yay! Oh, are you going to go back? Can you go back?
Come on. Give me your best smile.
Can you go back? Those toys are in the way. The camera.
Your best smile.
Come on, go back over.
It's beautiful. Radiant.
That silly arm's in the way. You can do it. You can do it. Alright, you want a little help? Here. Here. Oh. Back on the belly. Back on the belly. Oh, it just got dark in here. There, turn on the flash. Go ahead.
Mademoiselle, is it? A very gracious good evening to you.
Monsieur Inspector?
Yay! Yippee! Good job, buddy.
Yes, they're from home.
Your eyes are glowing because of the flash. Let's turn that off.